Ever wondered how to connect your Xbox Series X Gamepad to your Android tablet? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to walk you through the steps to make this happen. Get ready to transform your gaming experience. Before we start, make sure you have these essentials. You'll need your Xbox Series X Gamepad, an Android tablet, and a Bluetooth connection. Remember, every wizard needs their wand, and this is no different. Got everything? Great, moving on. First, we'll get your gamepad ready to pair. To do this, hold down the Xbox button located right in the center of your controller. You'll see it light up. That's your signal to get ready for the next step. Now, press the pairing button, which you can find at the top of your gamepad. Once you've done this, your gamepad will start blinking. That's it. Your gamepad is now in pairing mode and ready to connect. Now it's time to connect the gamepad to your Android tablet. To do this, you'll need to open up the Bluetooth settings on your tablet. Look out for the available devices list. Your Xbox Series X Gamepad should pop up there. Tap on it and your tablet will start to connect with the gamepad. It's as simple as that. No wires, no fuss, just pure gaming fun at your fingertips. And just like that, your gamepad is connected to your Android tablet. So, let's quickly recap what we've learned. First, we gathered our Xbox Series X Gamepad and Android tablet. We then put the gamepad into pairing mode, making it ready to connect with other devices. After that, we headed over to our Android tablet and navigated through the settings to connect it with the gamepad. It's as simple as that. Now you're all set to game on your Android tablet with your Xbox Series X Gamepad. Enjoy!